Rain slammed the alley as danger crept in with the storm. A kitten cried out, trapped in a rising tide. The flood surged. Hope shrank with every inch. On a rooftop, a hero's ears caught the call. He dashed across the drenched skyline, heart locked on the sound. He paused, listening, eyes glowing with purpose. Without fear, he slid into the darkness below. Their eyes met, one spark of hope in the flood. He soared over danger with seconds to spare. With a gentle grip, he lifted the kitten to safety. A slip. But he lunged and caught her just in time. Through the roar of the flood, he ran like lightning. They burst into the open, soaked but alive. Under shelter, warmth returned with every lick. Together they curled up, storm behind, peace ahead.